Hey guys, good morning. This is Captain A3A once again with another aircraft review. Right now, you are staring at Allegiant Airlines Airbus A319. Now, 777 diehard forever have featured Allegiant's Boeing 757, the 757-200 with winglets by Gemini Jets. Now, I'm going to review Allegiant. Allegiant is a low-cost airliner based out of Las Vegas. They have about several destinations here in the States. That includes Orlando Sanford International Airport in Sanford, Florida. Trenton Mercer County Airport in Trenton, New Jersey, and about several other destinations that include Long Beach, California. Anyway, getting into the aircraft itself, Allegiant Airlines has right now in their fleet 19 Airbus A319s, and they have 4 on additional order. Now, I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft. First, starting off with the stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. I purchased this aircraft back on Friday from the airplane store in Daytona Beach. The L1 door, Allegiant, the 2 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines, November 301, November Victor, and travel is our deal. Coming back towards the back of the aircraft, there you see the registration of this aircraft. Allegiant's livery on the tail. Now, I'm going to take you back towards the APU, the auxiliary power unit, right there. Now, I'm going to take you along the port and starboard side of the aircraft. There's the Allegiant livery. The registration of this aircraft, travel is our deal. Up towards the cockpit. Come on the leading edges of the wings. The 2 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines. Allegiant. The first galley door on this aircraft. And the cockpit. Now, that's it. Besides the Airbus A319 in Allegiant's fleet, they have the Airbus A320, the McDonnell Douglas MD-83, and the McDonnell Douglas MD-82, along with the Boeing 757-200 with winglets. But Allegiant is due to retire the Boeing 757-200 by sometime this year. So, basically, if you have the opportunity to fly on Allegiant, you better book in advance before any blackout dates. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And please, like always, rate, share, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, this is Captain A3E, signing off for now.